Amidst the rolling hills of Assam, India, here lies the ancient city of Guwahati. Here the mighty Brahmaputra carves its path, a testament to the enduring spirit of the land. But amidst the bustling street and vibrant markets, there lies a place steeped in myth and legend, the Kamakya Temple. The 4-day-long annual festival of Ambubachi is the most popular festival held in the complex of Kamakya Temple. During this period, the temple remained closed for worship as the mother goddess is supposed to be menstruating. Held toward the last part of June each year, Guwahati awakens to a unique festival, the Ambubachi Mela. For 3 days, the temple gate closes and the city observes a period of sanctity. This festival symbolizes the harmony between the reproductive female body and the cycles of nature. This is a time for preparation. Devotees gather from all corners of the country, their hearts filled with devotion. This is not just a festival, it's a celebration of the life force. It's a time for seeking blessings, for inner peace and for connecting with the Divine Mother. The Ambubachi Mela comes to an end. It's a reminder that the Divine Feminine resides within us all, a force of creation, compassion and boundless love.